How to make your own DIY dry shampoo using only natural ingredients. You don't have to pay an arm and a leg for dry shampoo. In fact, if you look at the ingredient list of your natural dry shampoo, you'll find that many of the ingredients are probably in your kitchen. So why not save money and make your own? Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to turn natural ingredients into natural products that you can use every day in your home. Turn off distractions because making is healing. Let's make Simply Earth's DIY custom dry shampoo recipe together. Before I tell you what you need, I just want to make sure that you know we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy to make your own natural products, and that's why when you subscribe to Simply Earth's Essential Oil Recipe Box, you'll get the ingredients you need for this recipe delivered right to your door. We'll even give you a big bonus box. Each month follows a different theme, and this month we are talking all about natural hair care. You can also find the ingredients I describe in this recipe on our website, simplyearth.com. I'm going to be grabbing my ingredients from Simply Earth's DIY hair care box. For this recipe, you will need 2 drops of almond oil. This is going to dilute our essential oils and make them safe to apply to the head. You'll need 2 drops of ylang-ylang essential oil and 1 drop of cedarwood essential oil. These oils are soothing to the head, and they're going to make your hair smell like you just stepped out of a salon. From your home, you're also going to need a 1/2 cup of cornstarch. This is going to absorb the excess oil on your head, and it's also going to add some texture to your hair. You can also swap a tablespoon or so out of this for some kaolin clay if you want to add those benefits to your dry shampoo. You'll also want a jar to store your recipe in. You can grab yours from simplyearth.com or your home. And to create your own custom dry shampoo, you're going to want to add a natural colorant to your recipe. So for my light colored hair, I'm just going to add a little bit of yellow iron oxide. This is going to allow this dry shampoo to blend in better with my natural hair color. But if you have darker hair, you could use black iron oxide or mica powders in a similar color, or you could even use cocoa powder. How much you use of each of these colorants will depend on your hair color and what colorant you're using. Pigments are a very strong colorant, so you'll only need like a 1/4 teaspoon to create a very strong color. For cocoa powder, you'll need at least a tablespoon or 2 to get a darker color. The goal with these natural colorants is to not completely match your hair. You just want to get in the general realm of your hair color to help it blend in. Let's make it. My first step is to dilute my essential oils. So I'm going to be adding almond oil, which is a very lightweight feeling carrier oil, with my essential oils to dilute them. And also this is going to be really moisturizing for my scalp and support a healthy scalp. Now I'm going to add my essential oils, 2 drops of ylang-ylang and 1 drop of cedarwood. This combination of essential oils is going to make your hair smell like you just came out of a salon. It's also really soothing for your scalp. Now I'm going to be combining my oil mixture with my cornstarch. If it sounds a little bit weird to be adding oil to a dry shampoo, don't worry. This little bit of oil combined with this much cornstarch is not going to make your head greasy. It's just going to safely dilute the essential oils and more benefits for your scalp. Once your essential oil mixture is evenly combined with your cornstarch, you can add your natural colorants. So now let's customize this dry shampoo to blend in well with my hair. I'm going to be adding a 1/4 teaspoon of yellow iron oxide. Make sure you thoroughly stir in your pigment. Pigments are super strong colorants, so if I were to add it and just give it a quick stir, it won't become the true color that the pigment can add to this dry shampoo. You want to stir for at least 30 seconds or so to really get to the color that the pigment is going to add to your dry shampoo. So now this color of dry shampoo doesn't perfectly match my hair, but it's close enough. It's going to blend in well with my hair. If you have dark hair, like my friend Shyla, to match her hair color, we used a 1/4 teaspoon of black mica powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of brown iron oxide. Here's the difference between the dry shampoo that matches my hair well and the dry shampoo that matches Shyla's hair well. When you're finished, store your dry shampoo in a 4-ounce jar. This one's glass, an amber glass jar, which works well with essential oils. It helps this dry shampoo have a longer shelf life. You can also use a PET plastic jar, and both of these kinds of jars are available at simplyearth.com. Don't forget to label it. To use this dry shampoo, you'll want to put a little bit on a makeup brush, or you can use clean fingertips and apply it liberally to your scalp, making sure to blend it in with your scalp and the roots of your hair. Let's test it out. My hair is thin and tends to get oily really quick and is very fine. So I love the way this DIY dry shampoo adds texture to my hair and allows me to go longer between washes so I can help keep my scalp healthy. I love to see your creations on social media, so when you make this awesome custom recipe, be sure to take a picture and share it with hashtag #IMadeThis, and you'll automatically be entered into Simply Earth's #IMadeThis contest, and you could win a $5 gift card. You can learn more about this recipe in our blog post that we linked below, and follow this channel for more natural recipes just like this.